Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. Welcome on YouTube channel about car sound deadening stuff. Today we have Toyota FJ Cruiser, the legendary FJ Cruiser that we have today. The customer has come to me with a problem that he has a noise with the door cards. And today we would use the premium stuff to soundproof it with the 2 layers, and we will show you in this video. But before we proceed further, let's firstly measure the current sound and noise level of the door cards that we have right now. So later on we can understand what is the difference before and after. For this purpose I would use this digital sound speaker. It converts electrical statical vibrations to mechanical, and I would use this digital sound meter. It will show me the actual decibel levels of the door cards noise. By placing it on a surface, we can simulate, using the white noise, the actual noise, what is happening on the road while driving. It is really extremely important to prepare the surface metal panels very carefully. Otherwise, your material that you will be installing, they will not apply properly. That's why I use this isopropyl alcohol stuff to clean the surface properly. Today is the first layer. We're gonna install STP Gold. This is a vibration damping. It's approximately 2.1 millimeter vibration damping that would be installed as a first layer. The second one is layer number 2. It's a heat and sound protection. It's made in Russia by Shumoff. It's a closed cell material that will protect your metal panels and your interior from heating. And besides, when the sound speakers will work, so the old waves that will jumping inside your door, they will disappearing, because this foam, it's a kind of triangle based material, so it prevents all low frequency and high frequency noise to be established in your door. Even this material is advanced level. I still will use the heat gun to pre-warm the surface of the material to better apply to the metal panels. Some materials you don't need to use. Even right now it's almost plus 10, plus 15 Celsius inside. It's still required to use a heat gun. Once the first layer was installed, I'm starting installing the second layer, sound and heat isolation. Another not obvious place in your car where any rattles and noise might occur, this is the wirings. So as you can see, there is no protection, and since it's pretty hard, yeah, so it's not from the soft stuff, so it might produce rattles while you're driving on the road or on an off-road by, you know, clicking on the metal panels or on the plastic. So to resolve this problem, there is a Tesa Tape. There is a special production proofed for automotive manufacturers that I will wrap like this one, as you can see. So all these wirings would be covered by this Tesa Tape, and it's just another point that how you can prevent any rattles and noises in your door cards. This door was already covered, so let's measure it. So the work is done. We've covered this FJ Cruiser with the 2 layers, the vibration insulation and the heat and sound protection. You saw on the video that right now it's approximately 5 times quieter on the doors. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and see you in the next videos.